is possible. Mula bumagyo, just na rin. So, thank you so much for making it possible. And I will also would like to thank the parents and the players for making this community better and growing as fast. And by the way, to those who doesn't know me, I'm Hardas Paspa. And some players here are from San Fernando. I actually been in the clinic before, so I met some of the players here already. Same way Pablo people. So I know them. I know some of them. Okay, so I would like to share one simple thought or idea that chess is about balance. And when you say balance, of course, it's a combination of attack and defense, position and calculation, or it could be a balance also of risky or being safe. Okay, so throughout my career as a competitor, I've learned a lot of things, and I can share with you 4 things that I simplify it to one word. So the word is K. So K stands for knowledge. So if you say knowledge, then of course you need to learn chess, study openings, study middle game, study endgame. So everything. Okay? Some of my students, they ask me like, Coach, do I need to study opening? Because it's a lot. But of course, as a chess player, there's no shortcut. Okay, so we really need to study openings. We need to memorize openings. Okay, so same thing with video game. So we actually need to learn everything. Video game techniques and game theories. So to those who wants to improve more, then you need to have a full package. So opening, video game, and game. And also, speaking about knowledge, of course, I will add you should be knowledgeable about physical health, because